What is up guys, Brittany here, back for another video, and today I'm going to show you how to install software update iOS 18.3.1. So let's get into it. Open up your settings and then scroll down to General, and you're going to select General. And once you open that up, you're going to go ahead and go to Software Update. Alright guys, so as you can see, mine has already been downloaded, but for you, you're going to want to download it. So iOS 18.3.1. This update provides important bug fixes and security updates and is recommended for all users. Now, if you want more details, a more in-depth description of what this software update is and what it entails, you can click that blue support.apple.com link and it'll take you to the Apple website. But if you're ready to download, go ahead and install now. And then once it does that, it completes the download, you're going to select install now again. It will ask you to enter your passcode, which is the 4-digit passcode to your phone, and then the install will begin. Now, it's going to verify the update first, and then it's going to take you through a series of reboots, guys. Sometimes it's 2 reboots, sometimes it's more, who knows? But once it's finished, it will bring you to a screen that looks just like this. This is going to be your lock screen, and it's going to have this message that is on it. Now, once you see that, you know that the update has been completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Listen.